All right, this is DP. We've got the Youthful Green Glow Smoothie. I will link the recipe in the description. And I'm gonna shake it, and I'm gonna try it. I think this is like an alcohol shaker or something. I thought it was a mixer, but so I was saying, I was like, no. You guys think that's shaked enough?
You gotta shake it up.
How's that?
That's what we like seeing.
And I'll show you the inside of it. Look at that.
Delicious.
Super chunky. Let's try it. This time it's much better. And it's mostly green, so I think it's pretty calorie-like friendly. This is good for autoimmune diseases. I have Still's disease, which is an autoimmune disease, and rheumatoid arthritis, so I am starting to do shakes every day. Yeah, I will do more videos with more recipes. It's chunky. I like the pulp. That's it, guys.